In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call on Aircall. We'll go through the process step by step, and by the end of this guide, you'll be ready to make calls through Aircall like a pro. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. You'll want to type Aircall into the search bar. Hit enter, and in your search results, look for the link with the URL aircall.io. It's usually one of the top results. Click on this link to head directly to Aircall's official website. Once there, the next step is to log in. If you're a regular user, you probably know your way around, but for those who might not be as familiar, you'll typically find the login button at the top right corner of the web page. Enter your credentials and proceed to log into your account. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with the Aircall dashboard. This is your main hub for all things Aircall. To begin the process of making a call, look for the option that says Open Aircall Workspace. Clicking on this will transition you into the workspace, a dedicated area where you'll manage your calls. Now, when you're in the workspace, you'll want to navigate to your contacts. This section provides you with a list of people you might need to connect with. Here, you can either scroll through the list or use the search function if you're looking for someone specific. This feature is particularly helpful if you're dealing with an extensive contact list, or if you need to quickly reach out to someone. Once you've found the contact you wish to call, hover your mouse pointer over their name. This action will reveal a green phone icon next to the contact, known as the Call Now button. This is a neat little feature that makes initiating a call both seamless and intuitive. With the phone icon now visible, go ahead and click on it to start the call. Clicking this button establishes a connection between you and your contact, and you'll hear the familiar dialing tone indicating that your call is being placed. And there you have it. That's how you make a call using Aircall. Following these straightforward steps will ensure you're ready to communicate effectively with your colleagues, clients, or anyone else you need to reach out to using Aircall. Whether you're new to this platform or simply needed a quick refresher, I hope this guide has provided you with the clarity and guidance needed to make your next call with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy calling.